Hi there, Sydney Brown here, your memoir mastermind, and today we're going to talk about being a freelance writer and how you can actually earn a living making money writing while you work online, usually from home. Now, back in my day, this was a dream come true. And it was not realistic, to be very honest with you. It was something that most of us young moms just ached to be able to do, to find something. We even stuffed envelopes and then, you spend off some money. I'm not even going into all that, but we were desperate to find a way to make money from home while we raised our children. And it just barely, other than babysitting, it barely existed. So right now you live in the best time because this is a viable option, because there are so many people out there who are looking to hire people to write for them, whether they're wanting ghostwriters, or if they're wanting someone to write their blog content or to write papers for their work, their jobs. There are people who will hire, and there are entire platforms of people who have jobs listing. So let's dig into this. I want you to get comfortable, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. And we're going to go into this. We're going to talk first about the top 10 platforms where you can find freelance jobs, and then we're going to go into talking about the top 10 tips for finding and securing those jobs. All right, so stay tuned.